Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to change your Mint mobile phone number. And it's really easy and simple, so I'll show you a few methods. So there's two. One is through the mobile app and one is by contacting a Mint mobile support. So through the Mint mobile app, this is what you do, right? Open up the Mint mobile app and go ahead and log in. Then you just need to tap on support and select request a number change. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your request. Method 2 is actually going ahead and contacting Mint mobile support. So you want to contact them, right? Call them on this number 1 plus 1 800 683 7392, right? And then you can go ahead and request a phone number change, and you want to provide your account details and just follow any verification steps and wait for the update. Okay, some important things to note actually is that changing your number is free within the first 15 days of activation, and after 15 days, there actually may be a small fee for the change, and once changed, your old number will be lost permanently. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.